Welcome back, guys. So today we're going to be doing some beer bratwurst. So I got here everything that we're going to need today. My name is RJ and this is Beginners Barbecue Outdoors. Alright, so here we have it. Now the beer choice, you guys already know, we're going with Modelo Especial. Now I love this beer. This is the beer of choice for me. We got our bratwurst, bell peppers, and onion, butter, and the rubs that we're going to be using is the barbecue rub and the AP seasoning. And we have our foil pan. This is what we're going to use. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and cut our onion and our pepper. Alright, we're just going to go ahead and slice our onions nice and thin cut. Alright, now we got our onions here. We're going to go ahead and add it to our pan. Now we got our bell pepper and little dices. So there we have our red bell pepper. We're going to add in there. Now this little tiny piece of orange bell pepper. Alright, with this one is done. Alright, so here we have, we're going to go ahead and mix it in there. We're going to add one stick of butter. One stick of butter in there. So now we're going to go ahead and add some AP sauce on this. Now give it some nice great flavor of this all around there. Now we're going with our barbecue rub. And we're going to go ahead and add some of this too. Bam, just like that. Alright guys, so this is what the process we're going to be doing. After watching many videos on how to do this, you just have to go ahead and kind of, after doing this for a while, you kind of know what's going to take. So we're going to go ahead and put our pitboss to 325 degrees. We're going to go ahead and put it just like this. So once the butter melts and this is cooked a little bit, we're going to go ahead and add our Modelos in here and our brats. So let's go ahead for that next step. Let's go ahead and fire up our pitboss. All right, our pitboss is up to temp 325 degrees. Go ahead and add that and come back in about 10 minutes to see if all that's ready. All right, it's been 10 minutes and I can already smell it. All right, we're gonna let it go for another 10 minutes. And by then it should be ready to add the beer and the broth. All right, let's go ahead and add our beer in there. Now let's go ahead and add our brats. Alright, we'll be back in about 30 minutes to check up on them. Alright, it's been 30 minutes. And they're looking good. Look at that. So they're almost there, not quite. But man, that looks good. So we'll be back in another, let's say 15 minutes. All right, 15 minutes have passed to a total of 45 minutes of the brats cooking. So let's do a temp. When the brats are done, they're about 160. So if we're right under 160, we should be good to go for the next stage. Yep, that's good. All right. Now we got to get some color. So now it's time to grill. Let's open this up. Let's move these and start grilling them. flip them. We're doing a minute each side. 1 minute per side. Look at that. Look at that. We'll be back. All right, we are back. And before we get into this, have a quick recap of what we did today. All right, so right off the bat, this gives out this good, delicious smell. Oh my God, it just, like, this is the first time for me doing this, and just by the smell alone, I'm excited to see if this is a game changer, because I've never done it, and I've always done it just normal, grill them and that's it, but not bathe them in beer. So here we have it. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab some of this veggies, some of this onions, look at that, and peppers, and just put them on the bottom part, just like that. We're gonna grab our brat, look at that. Oh yeah, it's just coming to perfection. And then we're gonna add, so this is the condiments that I like. Now you guys can use whatever condiments you guys like. I'm the one that's gonna eat it, so I'm gonna put what I like. And I know a lot of you people don't like ketchup on it. Some of you don't like relish, but I'm the one eating it, so you guys can add what you guys want. Go ahead and add some mustard. Oh yeah. So remember, everything you guys see here, there'll be a link in the description. You guys can try it out. Everything from pitboss to the rubs. All right, man. I'm excited, and let's go ahead and get into it. Wow. Wow. The onions, the peppers, the flavor of that brat. I'm never doing my brat style anymore. This new way, oh my God. When I first heard about this, I was a little worried. I'm like, how's the beer gonna give it that taste? There were questions. If the beer was gonna work with it, but my God, this is delicious. I'm gonna stop eating it. This is a definitely recommend. If you guys haven't tried it, go ahead and try it. And I'm positive you guys are gonna like it, because it does give it that extra flavor to it, and it just a whole new level. So I hope you guys like this video. Hit that subscribe, hit that like button. Let me know what you guys like to do. Let me know if you guys have ever tried this before. If haven't, if you guys will, and what would you guys add to it. But cheers.